Today we're going to be looking at a number of awesome heavy-duty machines we think you'll love. You'll definitely want to see the 2300 horsepower dredger in action. First up, we have the Menzie Muck M545X. It is also known as the walking excavator, as its spider-like legs and chassis enable it to walk and climb to any hard-to-reach site. Its new P-vation system is developed with automatic stabilization on the steepest planes in mind. This gives ease to the operator for positioning its 800mm wide wheels horizontally or vertically. Similarly, its VX drive delivers speeds of up to 15 km an hour while maintaining maximum torque throughout the entire adjustment range. Various head tools can be mounted with its 6-meter-long boom arm, which is capable of lifting 4.3 tons. Up next, we have the world's largest crawling machine. A pair of these behemoths were designed for transporting NASA's rockets and equipment to the launch pad. To the launch pad. Horizontally, it's about as big as a baseball field and weighs around 6.6 million pounds. Most impressively, it has an astounding loading capacity of 18 million pounds, which is equivalent to the weight of 20 loaded Boeing 777 airplanes. It can only travel at 0.8 miles per hour, but when you have cargo that valuable, it's best to be safe, even if it takes 6 hours just to reach the launch pad. The TMF 2821 is a powerful log stacker. Thanks to its 8.2-meter grapple, it can unload any medium-sized log trailer in one go. Also, the grapple can be rotated 360 degrees, which makes it easier for operators to transport logs. Its Volvo engine delivers 426 horsepower with 21 Nm torque. The top speed of the Svertruck TMF is 27 km an hour. Its cozy cab and intuitive controls makes life smoother for whoever's doing the work. In short, the TMF 2821 is simple in use, powerful for work, and cost-effective. Silage is produced from green foliage crops after preserving them through fermentation. It is then given to cattle or other livestock as feed. This machine compresses the shredded leaves into bundles and wraps them in plastic so that fermentation can start. It is capable of producing 60 silage bales per hour. You can adjust the bale size from 500 to 1,000 kilograms. The machine consumes less power while saving both money and time. The Brack M46.B is a powerful mounder designed for medium and large scarification locations. Its interchangeable teeth plates work well on planning mounds. The tooth plate's design keeps the edge sharp and the results optimal throughout their lifespan. The M46.B has an 8.4-meter working width, helping to maximize output, while Brack ensures never to compromise quality. Its versatility ensures it can work on most any mounding location. Here we have the Sikorsky S-64, built by Ericsson Incorporated, nicknamed the Sky Crane. Its chassis is engineered so that it can be outfitted with a variety of platforms. For example, it can mount passenger cabins, containers, or massive freight. The S-64 is sometimes used for firefighting since it can carry 2,650 gallons of water or foam. Using a specialized pump, it can fill up the entire tank in 30 seconds from shallow water. Recently, an autonomous variant has been introduced. The max speed of the S-64 is 200 kilometers per hour and has a range of around 370 kilometers with a full fuel tank. The Bell's 8000 is an electric saw designed for cutting large logs. It can produce logs with a max diameter of 27 inches and length of 30 feet. Its 60-inch large circular blade cuts the log into pieces which are then passed through fixed blades hydraulically. The conveyor belt takes those wood pieces to a splitter cylinder. The splitter filters out the unnecessary wood fragments. The Bell's 8000 features a 127 horsepower Cat diesel engine and can produce 4 full cords of hardwood per hour. And it can run no matter the weather, since its cab is designed with harsh environmental conditions in mind. The robots that you are looking at are now firefighters. These are explosion-proof and can shoot water at a distance of 85 meters with a pressure of around 1.2 megapascals. These can be controlled via remote at a distance of 3 kilometers. The robot has several thermal sensors that can detect heat and create thermal imaging for tracking fire sources. These human-driven firefighters can cross and climb challenging terrains. Moreover, these can pull and rescue stranded persons in time. The P995 is a marine excavator designed for dredging. It boasts a 2,346 horsepower engine and has an operating weight of 398 tons. Its backhoe can be attached with any 7 to 25 cubic meters. The digging capacity of this beast is 26 cubic meters. Liebherr electronic controls and cutting edges make it efficient and cost-effective. Also, the elastic base of the P995 absorbs all forces with its rubber elements. In short, the excavator can move material in any condition on seas, oceans, or fluvial channels. The LTM 1650 is a mobile crane built for hoisting loads around 700 tons. It boasts a 686 horsepower 8-cylinder diesel engine with maximum torque of 3,068 Newton meters. It has 8 axles that are mounted on hydropneumatic suspension and can be locked hydraulically. The crane is controlled with 2 self-steering joysticks. For telescoping, its 54-meter-long boom pedal switches are placed. The process of assembling the crane is straightforward. It takes just a few hours. This crane is also one of the top-selling machines made by Liebherr.